lady who lived in a fairly larger home. Her husband had, she's a little older, her husband had passed away, and so she was still staying in this big home. I think it's a holiday evening. I believe it may have been a Christmas Eve, but it was a holiday evening. She had gone to church service, came back, and found our basement with tons of water in it. Some of her things that was sentimental to her was affected. That's where, folks keep their things. When I took the call, she was in tears, of course, and overwhelmed, and no kids nearby. And so when we showed up and put her to ease and took care of the problem there, she made us dinner. It's probably 3 or 4 in the morning at this point in time, and she cooked us food, and that took probably 15 minutes for us to get out the door once we were done with just her being thankful for it. That happened a number of years ago, and I remember it fondly. SERVPRO, we can make it like it never even happened.